Good day guys and welcome to the channel. Today we will have a very easy tutorial on how to pin your Gmail to the taskbar for quick access. So as you probably see, my Gmail over here is already pinned, and I'll show you the exact process so you can open it up quickly and access all your mail. So in your browser, of course, provided that you're using Chrome, but I'm sure on other browsers like Firefox, for example, or something else, Brave, basically the ones that are running on the Chromium, all of them have this feature. So you go and open up 3 lines here, then you go to Cast, Save, and Share, and then you can either choose to create a shortcut, or you just install Page as app, which I did. So for example, click a shortcut, then press on Create, and then you can just find it in your Start menu, for example, or on your desktop, and easily just pin it here. So just go to your Start menu, you will have this new shortcut created there as well, and then just pin it to the taskbar like this. So as you can see, I can unpin, but in your case, you can just pin. If the shortcut is created on your desktop, that makes your job even easier. You just right click like this, and then just pin to taskbar. That's it. Enjoy the quick access. Also support my channel, give me a like and a subscription, and thank you for watching.